Embracing darkness, unleashing the power within, finding motivation in the shadows. Welcome, fellow seekers, to our journey through the depths of darkness. Today, we shall explore how darkness can catalyze our greatest motivations. Prepare to unlock the hidden power within. Host: darkness has long been associated with fear, uncertainty, and despair. We tend to shy away from it, seeking the comfort of light. But what if I told you that within the darkness lies a wellspring of strength, resilience, and untapped potential? Just as the night sky unveils a celestial symphony of stars, our darkest moments hold the seeds of our greatest growth. It is during these times that we find ourselves confronted with the choice to succumb or rise above. Life often throws us into the depths of darkness, loss, failure, heartbreak. We may stumble, unsure of the way forward. But in these very moments, we have an opportunity for transformation. History is replete with stories of great individuals who emerged triumphant from the depths of darkness. They used their pain as fuel, their struggles as stepping stones, and their setbacks as setups for success. When we find ourselves lost in the abyss, we must ignite the light within us. It is the spark of hope, the belief that darkness is not the end but a threshold to a new beginning. Our own experiences shape us, and within our darkest moments, we have the chance to rise stronger than ever before. Adversity tests our character, pushing us to embrace our potential, overcome our limitations, and transcend our fears. As the night gives way to the dawn, we are reminded that darkness is not permanent. It is but a chapter in our journey, one that prepares us for the brilliance that awaits. Today, I urge you to embrace your darkness, for within it lies your motivation. Seek the lessons hidden in your struggles and emerge stronger, wiser, and more determined than ever before. Remember, the brightest stars in the night sky shine against the backdrop of darkness. Embrace the shadows, for they are the canvas on which your light will paint its masterpiece. The power to illuminate the world lies within you. Embrace your darkness and ignite your inner light. Together, we can conquer any abyss and inspire others to find their motivation within the shadows. Thanks for watching.